Have you ever wondered if aliens exist? Imagine intelligence that isn't like ours. This question leads us to astrobiology. Today, we explore how it redefines intelligence. Astrobiology studies life beyond Earth. It looks for signs of life in the cosmos. This field helps us expand our understanding of intelligence. No longer are we limited to human criteria. Let's break it down into key concepts. First, intelligence isn't one size fits all. It can manifest in various forms. Second, communication can be more than just spoken words. Visual signals or chemical exchanges could also indicate intelligence. As we delve deeper, consider what this means. Are our views of intelligence too narrow? By expanding our understanding, we can appreciate other life forms. For instance, take octopuses. They exhibit intelligence, yet they think very differently from us. They communicate through color changes and movement. This challenges how we define intelligence. Next, let's think about extraterrestrial life. Imagine creatures on a distant planet. They might use bioluminescence, advanced sounds, or even magnetic fields to convey thoughts. Now, let's summarize. Astrobiology helps us see intelligence broadly. Intelligence isn't just about rational thought or language. It can take countless forms across the universe. What can you do next? Challenge your perspectives. Consider how many forms of intelligence exist. Dive deeper into astrobiology and broaden your cosmic understanding. Explore new theories and remain curious about our universe. Subscribe for more insights into the cosmos and beyond.